Hello, my name is Kivan. This is the top of your chimney. Pictures just showing obviously the cap lid has been blown off because of the rusted screen. We did replace that while we were there with a stainless steel cap. You'll have that for the lifetime of the chimney. You can see in this picture the mortar on top of the chimney is starting to crack, and it is very loose. Some of these next pictures, especially this one, shows the water that's been entering and cracking. You can see the first course of brick below those ledge stones is actually separating as well. This is the other side of the chimney pointing to a crack, and you can also see that piece of rusted screen laying on top. Next picture shows how loose these stones are. That's moved away. Also the other side. The crown is there just to protect the brickwork and keep water from entering the brick and doing the same thing lower down in the chimney. This is showing a couple areas of mortar. There on the left upper side of the picture, water's been entering from the crown, and as it freezes and thaws, it's loosening brickwork. Looking down your chimney, I first trip to the roof, we saw these missing mortar joints. This is looking down inside of the flue. A couple more close-up pictures here for you. Looking straight down, the chimney itself is very, very clean. A couple offsets, as you see looking down, it's not a very straight shot because of the offsets in the tile. Your furnace chimney is starting to deteriorate like the other, but it is not as bad. So you're going to be receiving a quote on just repairing that with a product called Crown Seal or Crown Coat that will stop the water penetration from entering this crown and making it look like the other. Close-up shot of that showing where water's been, and actually a little bit of patchwork has been done already with the caulk. This is the first video scan picture. It was a camera we set up inside of your chimney, and this is another mortar joint closer to the fireplace that had eroded, and you can see creosote in behind. Same thing. Also some scratch marks on the tile. I think a squirrel or raccoon possibly at one time was inside of your chimney. This, you see the crack on the upper tile. It's a sign of a chimney fire or some sort of thermal shock. And that crack is dirty, so it's been used at least a few times or quite frequently since a chimney fire. Below the crack is a mortar joint that's missing, and creosote's able, as well as smoke, is able to leak out of that flue. Another shot of that crack up higher on the tile. Again, that is thermal shock, something sudden change in temperature inside, most frequently caused by a chimney fire. Another larger open, and again, those animal scratches up here at the top part of that picture. This large void, still the brickwork in behind is dirty, so it's showing that creosote and smoke has been exiting the flue. Yet again, one more picture up higher inside the chimney. So I will be sending you proposals on repairing the chimney. You will get separate proposals on the liner installation or the repair, as well as the masonry work. Any questions, please call my office at 1-800-438-3583, or you can reach me direct at Kevon, Kevon, 1300 at googlemail.com.